How to restore closed tabs in Brave browser. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video I'm going to show you how to restore closed tabs in Brave browser. To restore closed tabs in Brave browser, simply follow the steps exactly as shown in this guide. So let's start the video. On your system, open Brave browser. Now, press Ctrl-Shift-T. Then you will see Recently Closed tab open. Again in Brave, repeat this process. Press Ctrl-Shift-T. Another tab that you closed before the last one will open. This is one way. Here is another way to open recently closed tab on Brave browser. In the top left, click on three lines. A new window will appear. Select Open History option. Again click on History option. Now you can see your all closed tabs will appear on system screen. Click on the link you want, and it will open again. This is how you can simply restore closed tabs in Brave browser. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye.